Hi boys and girls, so today we're doing more number bonds, but now it's a little bit trickier because sometimes we know the whole and sometimes we don't know the whole and we're missing, or we might be missing a part. So before we get started, let's write our name at the top so our teacher knows who our paper belongs to. Okay, so boys and girls, the whole is in the umbrella and then the parts are the raindrops. So if I'm supposed to add this weight for the parts, but I don't know this one, then what I have to do is I have to subtract. So I'm going to erase this plus sign, and I'm going to do 7 minus 5, and that's going to find my other part. So put your pencils on 7 and count back 5. That leaves you with a missing part is what?
2.
2. Allie's here helping me again. Okay. So on number 2, we're missing a part. So normally we would add the 2 raindrops together, but since we don't know that raindrop, we have to do the opposite of adding, which is subtracting. So put your pencils on 6, hop back 2 spots, and the answer is
4.
Good. The answer is 4. So on the next umbrella, we know the 2 parts, so all we have to do is add those together, which we're pros at. So I recognize that 4 and 6 are 10 friends, so that means my whole is going to be what? 10. Okay. On the next umbrella, I don't know the missing raindrop, so instead of adding, we're going to subtract. So put your pencils on 9, count back 2. The answer is
7.
Good. Now on the next umbrella, we do know the 2 parts, so we just go back to our regular strategy of adding. So 3 plus 4. Put your pencils on 4, count up 3. The answer is
8.
7. Close. 7. Okay, and the last one, since we don't know this part, we're going to subtract. So put your pencils on 8, count back 3. That leaves me with
5.
Yep. All right. So on the back side, we're doing some minus 2s. So just like we always do, let's fill in the top part. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 2, 2. And then we just keep counting. 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the next one?
7.
Yep. Then what?
8.
Then what?
9.
And the last one?
10.
Good. Thanks for your help, Allie. Now, all you have to do is look at the bottom, and you can find the answer on the top and write the answer. Then turn it into your teacher and start on your dream box.